So have you ever wondered what it would be like to have an insanely accurate buy-sell indicator strategy in your trading arsenal? Imagine racking in more than 20% profit from each trade and consistently achieving over a 1-to-4 risk-to-reward ratio. That's the kind of money-making potential we're talking about. Just take a look at these trades. The results are mind-blowing. You see, ladies and gentlemen, this powerful strategy used to be a premium gem back in 223. But I've decided to share it with you all for free today because, well, why not spread the love and knowledge? So, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps of a strategy, the indicators we use, how to set them up, and how to start trading like a pro. Are you ready? Let's dive in. To kick things off, you'll need to head over to the TradingView, the go-to platform for all things charting and trading. Once you're there, feel free to open any trading security that catches your eye. It works for all of them. For the demonstration, I'll be using the gold 15-minute time frame, but don't worry. The strategy is versatile enough to work with any time frame that suits your trading style. Now let's get down to business and unravel the secrets of this potent strategy. So you'll want to click on the Indicators tab and type in Overroot Supertrend. Then just select the one created by Algo Alpha from the search results. I know, the name might sound a bit fancy, but don't worry, it's not as complicated as it seems. Basically, it's an upgraded version of the classic super trend technical analysis tool, but with a twist. It uses something called a power root calculation, which gives it an extra edge in detecting changes in market trends, especially when things get wide. This means you can get more precise entry and exit signals, which is crucial for successful trading. The power root super trend works by applying a root mean square or RMS function to the closing price, which makes the trend line more responsive to recent price movements. It also considers the average true range ATR to measure volatility and sets the upper and lower super trend bands accordingly. But before we jump into how this incredible indicator generates such precise signals, let's make a few quick adjustments to tailor it to our strategy. To do this, open the settings window for the power root super trend. First, we'll want to change the factor option to 4.3. This will help fine-tune the indicator sensitivity to the market trends. Next, let's adjust the ATR length to 14, which will give us a more accurate reading of the market's volatility. Don't worry about the root mean square and take profit length settings. They're good to go with their default value. Feel free to customize the indicator's appearance by changing the bullish and bearish colors. This is purely for your personal preference and won't affect on performance of the indicator. As you can see, the power root super trend does a fantastic job of prevailing buy and sell signals. But hold your horses. We can't just dive into trading based on these signals alone, cause some of them might be against the overall trend or less accurate. So we need to bring in some reinforcements. That's where single indicator 5 EMAs comes into play. To add this powerful indicator to the chart, head back to the indicator section again, and this time search for single indicator 5 EMA. But before we using this single indicator 5 EMA, let's make a few adjustments to ensure it's optimized for our strategy. So head over to the settings and navigate to the input section. Here, change the intermediate length to 45. Then the long length to 90. And then the very long length to 180. These changes will help the indicator adapt to different market conditions and provide more accurate signals. Next, let's hop over to the style section. To keep things clean and straightforward, we'll disable the very short EMA and short EMA options since they aren't necessary for a strategy. Now that the indicator are all set up and customized, it's time to learn how to turn these tools into real money with our killer trading strategy. Remember, understanding where we're in an uptrend or downtrend is crucial to the success of this strategy. So, to ensure we're trading in line with the prevailing trend, we need to keep a close eye on the relationship between the price candles and 3 EMA moving average lines. So, when the price candles are hanging out above 3 EMA lines, it's a clear sign that we are in an uptrend. Think of it like swimming with the current. Everything's smooth and you're making progress in the intended direction. In this case, you want to look for buying opportunities and let those profits soar. On flip side, the price candles are nestled below 3 EMA line. It's time to recognize that we're in the midst of a downtrend. In a downtrend, it's generally wiser to search for selling opportunities and play it safe. So, when we find ourselves in a downtrend, it's time to shift our focus to selling opportunities. Prime example is when the power root super trend indicator line switches from green to red, and that's your cue to look for a sell signal. To keep your risk in check, you can use the red super trend line as your trusty stop loss level. But here's where this strategy truly shines. The power root super trend indicator doesn't just tell you when to enter a trade, it also shows you exactly where to exit for maximum profits. How does it do that, you ask? Well, it creates multiple take profit levels, TP1 to TP7, which are tailored to the market's volatility, giving you incremental targets to aim for. On top of that, it factors in the RSI of the distance between the current price and the super trend line, generating additional take profit signals when the RSI dips below a certain threshold. As you can see on the chart, those red lines labeled TP1 to TP7 are the various take profit levels calculated by the indicator, while the level marked with the cross icon represents the RSI-based target. With all these targets at your disposal, you can devise multiple strategies to maximize your profits. For example, you could simply exit the trade when the price hits one of the targets, or you can trail your stop loss level using the super trend line, or even exit a portion of your position at each TP level, allowing you to lock in profits and continue riding the market. The beauty of this strategy lies in its flexibility and adaptability to different market conditions. By using the power root super trend and single indicator 5 EMA in tandem, you'll be well equipped to identify high probability trades, manage risk effectively, and ultimately boost your chances of success in the trading arena. So get creative with your strategies and let those powerful indicators guide you on your journey to becoming a trading pro.